Hi guys, in today's video we'll be talking about Epay account or Epay wallet, whichever one you call it. In my last video I made a video on how you can actually withdraw from Epay, and I've gotten tons of questions from that video. So many people saying that they don't see remittance in theirs, no remittance, no remittance. So I've decided to make this video showing you how you can actually withdraw from Epay wallet even if you're not seeing remittance in yours. Okay, so make sure you watch from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step I'm going to be showing you here. Let's head into the video. So guys, once you log into your Epay wallet, you are going to come to this interface, which is the home page. Okay, so you are going to be seeing your total balance here. If it's in USD, you are going to be seeing it in USD. If it's in euro, you are going to be seeing it in euro. If it's in pounds, you are going to be seeing it in pounds, and every other currency here. Okay, so once you are seeing, you have your balance here, the next step is to withdraw the money. Okay, so you are going to be clicking on, before you have to see remittance, but right now if you're using the updated Epay account, you will not be seeing remittance again. So they've actually removed remittance from their platform and change it to what we call payouts. Okay, so it's either you click on this middle page to see payouts, okay, or you click on this dashes here and you also see payouts. So we are going to go ahead and click on this middle one and then go ahead and click on payouts. Note that you cannot withdraw less than $10 from Epay. Okay, so you must have more than $10 from in your Epay account before you be able to withdraw. If you have less than $10, you will not be able to withdraw from your Epay wallet. So once you are here, you are going to see payment amount. Okay, go ahead and select where you have your money. If your money is in USD, select USD. If your money is in euro, select euro. If it's in pounds, select pounds, and every other currency here. Okay, go ahead and select it. Okay, so once you do that, then go ahead and select your currency. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, select Nigeria. Go ahead and look for your currency here. South Africa, which other currency, see all the currencies there. Okay, go ahead and check for your own currency and then select it. So I'm in Nigeria. I'm going to go ahead, see there are so many countries here. Okay, so look out for yours and select your own. So I'm in Nigeria. I'm going to go ahead and select Nigeria, then go ahead and select your country. So once you do that, then you have to add your local bank account. Click on local bank, then go ahead and add your local bank account. Okay, make sure you add your local bank. Just click there and add your local bank account. So once you are done with that, let me add this. If you cannot add your local bank account through the payout section, just come over here, click on stakeholders man. So once you click on stakeholders, mine is going to open. You are going to look up, you see payer and you see payee. Okay, so you are the payee. Go ahead and click on payee and then you can add your account here. If you look, you're going to see that my local bank account is here. Okay, so you can actually add it from this section. So that's if you cannot see it from the other section. Okay, so let's continue. You are going to see the amount you are going to be receiving here and then go ahead and click on next. So right now I don't have any money here. Okay, so I'm going to be stopping here because I don't have any money here. I'm going to show you every other, but once you get to this stage, if you have your $10, so they will show you the amount they are going to pay you here. The next thing you're going to do is just click on next and then you will receive the money. Once you receive the money, come back and confirm that you've received the money and release the funds. Okay, and that's how you can actually withdraw from your Epay wallet even if you're not seeing remittance in yours. Note they have removed remittance from their Epay accounts. Okay, it is now payout. Instead of remittance, you will now see payout. Okay, so for those of you looking for remittance, there's no more remittance on Epay. It is now called payout. Okay, so there are other functions there. If you want to pay in money, you can use pay in function. If you want to exchange, you can use exchange function. Okay, just if you want to exchange your USD to euro, exchange your USD to exchange maybe any money you have to any other currency, you can just go ahead and do your exchange here. Okay, for people living in different countries that are not using USD, you can always do exchange, okay. Another option here I would want to talk about is you transferring from Epay account to another Epay account. Maybe you have an Epay account and you want to pay someone that also have another Epay account. So this is how you're going to do it. Click on this option pay. So once you click on this option, it's going to bring out this page for you. Then go ahead and click on this place and then add the person's Epay account, the email account for the of the person, okay. So once you add it, we are going to go ahead and add it now. Click on this and then search for the email. If you cannot see the email, just go ahead and click on add payee. So add the person's email account here, then add the person's name here and click on add. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and transfer money for that person, okay. Put the amount you want to transfer here and it's going to show you the amount the person will receive and the fee they are going to charge. You can type an optional message and then click on confirm. So this is how you can actually transfer from one Epay account to another. So this is actually how to make use of Epay account. If you have any other question, go ahead and drop it on my chat, okay. I'm going to see it and respond to it, okay. So make sure you verify your account if your account is not verified. If you pass the first stage verification, you can always withdraw money, okay. More than $5,000 you can withdraw, but if you need more than $10,000, you need to do the step 2 verification, okay. So this is it about Epay wallet. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, you like and you comment. See you on my next post.